What's up, YouTube? Seductive Souls coming at you. Got a new pickup. A little late. These came out on the 3rd, I think it was. If you see, got the Jordan 5 low golf, graphite, Wolfgrey white. The Wolfgrey 5 golfs, the 5 lows. Gonna go ahead. First look. Check for defects or anything like that. Of course, the paper tissue comes white with the gold 23 on it. Inside you got extra lace locks, clear, red, and black. Close that. And there we go. Got the Wolfgrey 5s. Usually I wait to open the box to do it on the video, but I opened them because I came home and I wanted to see how they look, and I was very impressed. Good quality. Few little mess ups, not too bad. See a little glue stain right here. This suede is just smooth. I like the way it feels. I don't like how it's glued on the edges. Far away you can't see it, but close up you can see the slight defects on it. Again, right here you can see glue stains on the suede. Fresh off the box, you see you can wipe it off, but little scuffs, whatever that is right here that I'm scraping off, that's fresh out the box, and it got little problems like that. Let's take this, finish looking at the inside of this shoe. Yeah, now I didn't inspect all the way on the inside. I just looked at the shoe, how it looked in the box. Now this is good enough for me to return. Glue stains all the way. All the way around on the inside. Glue stains. In fact, that kind of, actually, yeah, I'm gonna return these. That's separation right there. I don't know how good, if you can see that. This is glue stains right here in the front. The dark spots around the sole, that's glue stains, but right here, that's air. That's separation. So take this, go ahead, look on the inside of the right shoe. Again, glue stains. You got a little dent right there in the midsole. Let's raise this. You got a dent right here in the midsole. More glue stains. Now, like I said, I was satisfied when I opened the box and looked at them, but I didn't take them out and examine all the way. Turn this. Yeah, gonna have to send these back. I'm probably just need to stop getting these. Again, glue stains. Glue stains. Now, for that, I can say that I'm satisfied with the suede, the new buff, whatever you want to call it. Inside it says Air Jordan white. Got your Jumpman with gray laces. And then you have the extra lace locks like that they have on the actual 5s. These are white and red, or clear and red. Then you have a silver, black, and clear. Actually, that's just silver, white, and clear lace lock on there. The front, look at that, blue. Unsatisfactory, unsatisfied. Now the bottom is always icy. Can't beat that. Again, Jordan 5, Wolfgrey golf. I mean, I'm picky if it's going in my collection or if I'm gonna sell it to someone. So with the glue stains that's on here, I'm gonna have to fail these and return them. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace. Peace.